Makita, a well-known name in the field of power tools, is renowned for its quality and innovation. For decades, the Japanese brand has been offering robust and reliable solutions to professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Today, we are going to explore one of their flagship products, the cordless vacuum cleaner, Makita DVC750LZ. This model is designed to offer remarkable suction power while being practical and versatile. If you want to learn more or purchase it, the link is available in the description below. The Makita DVC750 stands out for its compact and portable design, ideal for use in the field. Made with robust materials, it features a neat finish that matches the professional aesthetic expected from a Makita product. Available primarily in blue and black, it maintains the brand's visual signature. Its compact dimensions allow for easy transport, and its lightweight makes it manageable for various tasks. One of the appreciated aspects of its design is its foldable handle, which makes it easy to store in tight spaces. The flexible hose that can be wrapped around the device demonstrates a particular attention to ergonomics and practicality of use. The brushless motor of the Makita DVC750 is at the heart of its performance, providing effective suction power, while extending the device's lifespan by reducing mechanical wear. This advanced technology ensures energy efficiency and low maintenance. The vacuum is designed for versatile use, capable of handling both dry debris and liquids. With a tank capacity of 4.5 liters for wet materials. Its HEPA filter captures 99% of dust particles, contributing to a clean environment, which is ideal for people with allergies. Our standout feature is its blower function, which allows for easy clearing of debris and leaves in hard-to-reach areas. The suction power control is variable, offering adaptability to cleaning needs, whether it's light dusting or more intensive tasks. And finally, the large 7.5-liter dust bag capacity reduces the frequency of emptying, adding to user convenience. On a daily basis, the Makita DVC750 proves to be a valuable ally for a variety of tasks. Its compact design and lightweight make it easy to move from one job site to another or between rooms in a house. Whether you're cleaning up after a DIY project or managing debris on a construction site, this vacuum offers you the flexibility you need. Its long battery life, up to 60 minutes on a low setting, with a 5 means fewer stops for recharging, which is a significant advantage for long-term projects. The flexible hose enhances maneuverability, allowing you to work efficiently in tight spaces. The blower function further expands its potential uses, providing quick solutions for a variety of cleaning issues. Maintenance is simple thanks to the easily accessible HEPA filter and the generous tank capacity, requiring infrequent emptying. In summary, it is a tool that truly simplifies cleaning tasks. Compared to other vacuums on the market, the Makita stands out with its brushless motor, which offers an advantage in terms of durability and performance. Although some competing models may offer a longer hose, Makita's integrated storage design makes up for it with convenience. The blower function is not always present in competitors, which adds to its versatility. Its battery life is also competitive, although the battery is sold separately, which is a point to consider when purchasing. In conclusion, the Makita DVC750 is a solid option for those looking for a powerful and versatile vacuum cleaner. With its well-thought-out design, advanced features, and ease of use, it meets both domestic and professional needs. Don't forget to check the link in the description if you want to learn more or consider a purchase. Thank you for watching this video. Feel free to leave a comment to share your thoughts, like, and of course, subscribe so you don't miss our upcoming product presentations. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Bye.